Our unity is our strength and diversity is our power. So, dear students, in this first chapter of Civic, we shall learn the diversity in India. What is diversity? Dear children, when you look around, what do you notice? You notice that nature offers variety in our surroundings. You see several types of plants, trees, flowers, birds and animals, as well as human beings. You see different colors and hear different sounds. Nature behaves differently at different times. The season changes. Sometimes it rains. The oceans, the rivers look different at different times, and so on. Therefore, the presence of a wide range of qualities or features is called diversity. Social groups. Like in nature, we find diversity in human being too, because human being cannot fulfill their own desire. They always have to depend on others for the fulfillment of their own needs. Therefore, we are also known as social being. The first point, the very first group in which you live is your family. The second point, a group of families living in the same area is called a community. The third point, when a large group of people living together within the same geographical area of a country under a common government is called a nation. Let's see now diversity in India. The first point, social institutions. We find diversity in social institutions too. For example, nuclear family, we find only parents and their children. Joint family, parents, children, along with grandparents and close relatives. In both the families, male member is the head, but in some exceptional cases, female is the head of the family, like in northeastern Meghalaya, Khasi, and southern India, Kerala. The second point, language. In India, we have 22 major languages and about 1625 dialects, that is, in regional forms. The two common languages are divided into two groups on the basis of their origin. The first one, Southern Indian, belongs to the Dravidian group. The second point, Northern India, are derived from Sanskrit. Each language has a rich treasure of written literature. It is also translated into other languages. The third point, religion. In India, there are people of different religious communities like Hindu, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Zoroastrianism, etc. Each religion celebrates their own festivals. They have special places of worship like Muslim mosque, Hindu temple, Christian church, Sikh Gurudwara. Number fourth point, ways of life. First, dress. People in different regions dress differently. For example, people who live in Kashmir wear a loose robe called fera. Inside this loose dress, they carry a kangri which protect them from cold. In Rajasthan, men wear large turbans to protect them from heat. The second point, economic activities. Geographical and climatic conditions generally determine the economic activities of a region. Different regions grow different crops. They are as follows. Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Odisha and West Bengal grow rice. UP and MP grow wheat. Kerala is noted for spice cultivation. Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Maharashtra, fishing. Mountainous regions like Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, rearing sheep and yaks. The fourth point, food. Indians have diverse food habits. The first one, in South Indian, their main food is coconuts and fish. The second point, in cold places like Jammu and Kashmir and Darjeeling, people eat a lot of non-vegetarian food and milk products, especially during winter because very few crops are grown. People who cultivate rice are called rice eater, while those of wheat growing states are wheat eater. The fourth point, festivals and dances. The environment and history of a region influence the culture of its people. For example, Kerala's snake boat race shows the coastal people's strong bond with water. The yak dance of Ladakh shows the people's love for the yak because it is a very useful animal of that particular region. We also find that almost all the state celebrates their harvest festivals like Baisakhi, Punjab, Onam, Kerala, Bihu, Assam, Makar Sankranti, Bihar and UP. We also have various dance forms belonging to the different parts of our country. For example, Bharatnatyam, Tamil Nadu, Odissi, Odisha, Kathakali, Kerala, Bhangra, Punjab, Garba, Gujarat. These are the famous dances forms of our country. At the end of the class, we understand that diversity makes India a truly amazing place to live in. Thank you.